This is Omnimes. Mission Hunter Hunted. Hunter, aka Gabe. Hunted, aka Ryan, aka Squirrel. 3 shots to kill, 1 stab to kill, 1 minute downtime.
Hello guys, this is Hunter Be Hunted. We know the rules and all that jazz. I have a minute. Gabe has the gun. I have my knife, which I forgot to take out of my pocket. Oh well. Alright. You can start counting whenever.
Go.
Now?
Now, go.
I'm not gonna try to run.
1 minute downtime. Hey!
You gotta lose! I'm gonna try to get my knife out of my pocket. Would have been the first thing to do. Is it? Come on. Alright, I got it. Alright, I'm gonna stab him in the butt. No! I dropped it. Sorry! I have no idea where I'm going! Nice. What? What? Nah. Gabe's an idiot. I don't think this is considered hiding. Is he? I don't know if he's coming for me or what happened. Find out. What is he? He's not holding the camera. He's cheating.
What are you doing?
I don't know. What happened?
The camera is low battery, so turn it off.
Oh. Oh. Alright.
This is nice.
No, see, that's weird. This is just gonna be take 1. First try and fail. There's Gabe. Say hi, Gabe.
Hi.
Alright, bye. Hello, everyone. This is take 2 since the camera didn't live.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Yep. Let's start. Start. Alright. Go.
Alright, I'm gonna go the same path.
Have fun. I'll just be here.
I took my knife out of my pocket this time. Oh god, I'm scared.
Can't see anything. Just hide.
You can't look! You can't look! Jeez, Gabe's trying to cheat. He can hear me. Gabe's such a cheater. Gabe's cheating. I fell. Alright, we're getting back on our feet. He'll notice me. I think he'll see my steps. I think he'll notice me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Let's go. Where are you?
I'm so scared. He's hunting. I'm so scared. He's following my every footstep. He's gonna kill me so hard. Why did I agree to this?
In the fix. No. In the slide. No! Where did he go? Oh.
You found me! There's no boundary! No!
Look at you. You're not really hiding much.
Hey, there's not much place to hide. I'm too fat for this. No! No! Ow! No, that's too... I'm dying. Is there a suicide mode? Sure, but I can It's too much work.
Oh, take my tomahawk out.
I'm too lazy. This is too much work. I didn't deserve this punishment. Suicide always wins. Unless you stab him in the back. I killed you. Throw the tomahawk at him. Then throw it again. Yeah, try it. You lost. No, you did. What are you talking about? I won. Maybe, I already hit you like 5 times. Maybe you did win. You won the war. Wait, no. Hang on. You won the battle. But you haven't won the war. That's what it is. What do you do with the camera? It's in my pocket. Is it still on? No. Oh. Thanks, Gabe. I stopped it once you did. So is this the end? End of War 1. End of Battle 1. Battle 1. Thanks for... Oh, we already did that. Yeah. There's my death right there. Time of death. Sun. Sometime between then and now. Yeah, so.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed our Hunter Hunted video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want, I guess. Any suggestions, please tell us. That'd be great to know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.